project. It was not the ugliest kitchen that we've ever done, but for the clients, it's something that they've been living in for a long time and they were just done with it. They wanted a change. To them, it felt very dark. The granite was outdated, something that was being done in builder projects for years and years, and they needed something fresh and something that was their own. The one thing that we did change was a pantry, a walk-in pantry right off the doorway that was protruding into the space. And by removing that and changing it into cabinetry pantry storage, it made the space open up. What they started with was wanting an updated Mediterranean Italian style, but that kind of morphed as we were shopping and working on the design, and it turned into just a really fresh, light space with a little bit of glitz that she added with some of the fixtures. Product is white cabinetry with a really nice granite. It has grays and blacks and whites. It just looks like an updated modern space that feels fresh. The floor lightened everything up, and all the while the walls are still the same except for the pantry, but it feels so much bigger and open.